Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Listen, I hear you. I heard you, girl. I got so many compliments on this beauty right here that I just decided to start it out right here so you can see her in all of her glory. Let me give you a close-up. I see you, girl. I see you. Okay. So if you were here for the last few videos, I've been trying to work on spaces in my home that we often forget to clean. So let me be honest with you about something. Yes, I have many spaces that I forget to clean. However, I really forget to organize because most of the things that we need to organize is behind closed doors, right? So if you were to look in all of my closets, all of my cabinets, all of my drawers, you would be like, girl, you are trifling. And that's okay because, I never said organization was my thing. I've always said cleaning is my thing. So with organizing comes cleaning, right? So if I need to organize my space, obviously I'm gonna have to wipe it out as well. Therefore, today, we are gonna work on some spaces that I never organize, which is every single space in my home that is behind a closed door. Seriously. However, I feel like it's going to take me about 2 years to organize every single space in my home. No cap, as the young kids would say, okay? Like for real. Anyway, let's start out with some of the drawers in my bathroom, and then we're going to move on to my bedroom because I have 2 nightstands that really need to be organized as well as my desk. So I'm going to take you around to some spaces, okay? Here's the first space. This is my husband's space. It's actually not bad. It's better than what I could have ever done. However, it does need to be cleaned out and then just everything put back wherever he had it so it doesn't mess up his jam. This is his drawer. It's really not bad. All right, let's check his drawers. These aren't drawers, these are cabinets. Okay, so all of my cabinets look like this. Actually, this one doesn't look as bad as majority of them. Let's see what my drawer is looking like. Let's just close it, okay? This is underneath my bathroom sink. Not to mention, we have all these drawers here, which that one's filled with medication. This one is just a hot mess. And I can't even open that one all the way. So hopefully you didn't get too dizzy in that footage you just saw. Now I do realize that some of these spaces are very dark. They're very hard to see, especially underneath the cabinets. So I will try to make this as painless for you as possible because it's very painful for me, okay? Welcome to today's video. I hope all of you are doing well since the last time we spoke. I hope that you are working on loving yourself, knowing your worth, and just putting yourself out there, trying new things, watching new shows, trying new adventures on the weekend, reading new books. Here's all of the things that I pulled out of this drawer. Can you believe all that stuff was in there? Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. But really, most importantly, just taking care of yourself and your mental health. This is what the inside of this drawer looks like. It does have some hair in it. It's not as bad as my husband's side, which you will see soon, but it was just filled with a lot of unnecessary items. But you know what? I'm really not going to come down hard on myself because I'm very proud that I actually got this taken care of. It has been a long time coming, and if you've been here for a while, you all know that I am not the organizer, okay? At all whatsoever. My husband and my youngest daughter do a very good job organizing. So check this out. One thing about not being organized is you'll find random stuff in random places, okay? So I found these in my office, not really an office, but my desk drawer for my previous office. And I'm gonna be able to use this stuff. All I have to do is wipe it out. It's a little dusty, of course, because I live in a dust bucket, but I'm excited that I found these.
What's your vibe? I've been feeling rather sad in the corner of my glass. Boy, what's your style? What you drinking? What's your vibe? I've been feeling rather sad. Oh yeah, pour it up. All my feelings went away. Celebrate with the blue champagne. Pour it up. All my feelings went away.
Something told me to check to see if this would close, and it does not close, but here's the deal. Now I understand why this was in one of my drawers and not being used because I can't even close this with this, okay? Anyway, let's move right along. You'll have to let me know below in the comments what shows you are watching. So let me tell you something about this show that I just watched on Netflix. It's called Untamed. Oh my word. First of all, it has Eric Bana in it. And if you know who Eric Bana is, he's the Hulk, okay? Listen, he has aged like fine wine, okay? So after I watched that, I skedaddled over to Prime and watched a movie called Force of Nature, and it has a part 2 as well with Eric Bana. Check it out if you like it. If you are not into things where people unalive other people, don't watch it. However, if you're okay with that, great movie. I also just finished a book called The Art of Influence, and it was so good. I really took my time reading it. It was intriguing. So check that out if you want. It's on the Libby app. And the next thing that I plan on reading again for a third time is Crucial Conversations, because why not? Girl, look how good that looks. I'm proud of myself. This is my overflow of items that I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with. I'll probably put them in my other drawers that are underneath my sink. So other than that, my life has been so good. I'm telling you what, God keeps blessing me. And I know I talked about this in my last video, but I feel like sometimes I just don't have room for it. It's like my cup is for real running over, just like the scripture says. But you know what? I'll take it, because I will take it. So if you're able to pull yourself out of the trenches and get into a place of knowing your worth, knowing that you're enough, knowing that you are loved, and just speaking those things as though they are into your life, I'm telling you what, you will not be disappointed, because God definitely has a plan for you, just as he does for me. It doesn't matter what anybody thinks. It doesn't matter what anybody says. That is a relationship between you and God, and just try to perfect it and make it better every single day, because all the things that he has for you, I'm telling you, it's going to blow your mind. Every single day I sit here and I think about all the different things that I prayed for 7 years ago, 5 years ago, 2 weeks ago, and how it all has come to pass. There is not anything in this world that I need. I have every single thing that I need in life. I really just feel like he's given me the talent. He's given my husband the talent. He's given my children the talent to pursue and do anything that we want in life. And he will just make it better, like for real. There have been a lot of times where I wanted to quit YouTube. And most recently, I was talking to Tiffany from All Things Tiffany Nicole. She was like, girl, don't quit, because people need to hear what you have to say. And you know what, Tiffany? You are right. Then I sit and I think about all of the amazing relationships that I have established from women on YouTube, Gramita Love Mukbang, P-Dub Stuff, All Things Tiffany Nicole. I put the O in Mom, Daphne's Homescape. All of you women are amazing humans. I love you so much, and I wish you the best with your YouTube career and with your regular careers. Obviously, there's so many other people that I could name, but I just want all of you to know that I appreciate you so much, and do not stop what you're doing, because you have a talent that you have been given and it needs to be shared across the world. There's so many talented people, but there's something about all of you that you do that keeps bringing people back, including myself.
What you thinking? Give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby. I can't help it.
So at the beginning of the video, I told you that I am not an organizer. And as you can tell by all of these clips, no, I'm not an organizer. I'm a cleaner, and that's okay. This is not Pinterest organization. This is real life. I know so many people who have closets that look just like mine, so hopefully you can relate. But I hope that you are feeling encouraged to go ahead and just clean one closet out a weekend. That's what I plan to do, because again, it's probably going to take me 2 years, but that's okay. At least I'm getting it done. At least I'm being productive. And while I'm doing all that, I'm going to celebrate that accomplishment. When you do bad things, people talk about you, or you may even come down on yourself. Start making it a normal thing that when you do something good in life, that you celebrate that. That will help you so much. And you deserve to be celebrated. Let's be real.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where the story goes. You just gotta own on to your path.
Not bad at all. I go back and forth with this blow dryer a million times, from here to the drawers to here, back to the drawers, back to here. I'm annoying myself at this point.
You rather wanna flight than fight, but every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. Now I am down at zero. When will it ever stop? I'm only human. How am I supposed to cope? One bad decision, I'm running out of rope.
I really try to be mindful when I'm cleaning someone else's space of putting things back exactly how they were, if not just a little bit better. But in this case, again, my husband's a better organizer than I am. But let me tell you something. When he got home, he was like, why did you move my stuff? And I'm like, you should have seen how dirty the bottom of your sink was, because something had spilled. Wait till you guys see it. It was terrible. However, he does not like me going through his stuff. If this is something that you can relate to, let me know.
I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. But when I'm down at zero, will it ever stop? I'm only human. Yeah. How am I supposed to cope? Oh, one bad decision, I'm running out of rope. Oh, I'm only human. Oh, how am I supposed to cope? One bad decision, I'm running out of rope. I'm running out of rope. How am I supposed to cope? It was only one bad decision, yeah. I'm running out of rope.
The words to that song is so deep. So now I'm in my bedroom. These are the only drawers that I will be able to handle today because I'm tapped out, okay?
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba 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 da ba ba da ba yeah. Set the ba da da ba da. Boy yeah. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. She said, I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said, you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside. Where everybody knows your name, everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna.
In hindsight, I really did declutter a lot of stuff today. I'm very proud of that, but I did work up an appetite. So I'm going down in my kitchen and I'm going to make myself some dinner. That's like lunch dinner. And I've made twice baked potatoes on this channel a million times. Therefore, I'm not taking you through the entire process, but I also made some chicken with it. And let me tell you something. I don't know if it's my age, but chicken really tastes metallic to me. I'm not feeling it. But for some reason, my husband, who does the grocery shopping, keeps buying it. Since I don't like to go to the grocery store, I'm not going to complain. I'm going to just cook because they're going to eat it, but I'm only going to eat a little bit of chicken. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you so very much. Make sure you go love on yourself. Make sure you look in that mirror and say your affirmations because you are enough and you are loved.
Life, sweet life.